Hey guys, we head into IKEA, and this is our grand open in Huntsville, Alabama. Let's go and see what IKEA is talking about. We're gonna see what this is all about. Oh, that is so pretty. I like that. Shortcut to the market hall. Yes, this is a grand opening and everybody's so excited about it, so I decided to come out here and see what's going on at IKEA. Which way are you going? Okay. I'll follow you. That's a little play area.
They did a good job designing it.
They did. Yeah, I probably won't be picking up that much because it is crowded. I don't want to get in nobody's way. So I'm just giving you a walkthrough. Let's keep walking. Okay. Got the rugs over there. Let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. And like I said, this is not going to be a like pickup item and showing you the price. None of that today. So this is my first time coming in IKEA here in Huntsville, Alabama. And I just want to bring you along with me. That's soft.